I'm a busy mom just trying to make some healthy meals, so here's everything I meal prepped this week. I've been loving the slow cooker this summer, so I started some honey garlic chicken in there because it would take a while, and then rice in the rice cooker. It's been a while since I've had my tater tot casserole, but that sounded so good for breakfast every day. I added a ton of little tater tots to the top, and really some extra ones, and then had to sniff that cheese to make sure it was still good. It was, and then got that into the oven. There's no way those tater tots are gonna last all week, so I also made some overnight oats for breakfast. I love overnight oats because you can just use what you have and just dump everything together in a jar, shake it up, and stick it in the fridge, and you're good to go. These have 33 grams of protein and are ready in 5 minutes. Yes, please. I've also really been enjoying smoothies this summer, so I decided to meal prep a couple of smoothie bags. Use whatever ingredients you have. I'm really loading these up with nutrients to help on my breastfeeding journey, and then whenever it's time to enjoy, I'll add a little bit of milk and yogurt. And by the time those recipes were finished, the tater tot casserole was done, so I took that out of the oven and added the broccoli, and then by this point, I was legitimately sweating. I tried to finish this meal prep when my supervisor was napping, but then she woke up and was watching me and was like, girl, hurry it up. We have things to do. I already had pep in my step, but I had to find some more. I had one more dinner recipe to make, which was egg roll in a bowl. Luckily, it's a 15-minute recipe and really, really easy. And then my supervisor needed me to switch to some other task for a while, so a couple hours later, I came back and shredded the chicken when it was done, and I added that to a big container with rice, so it'd just be really easy to serve throughout the week. And then I had the broccoli also, and I'll just use these to build bowls for the week. Oh, it felt so good to be done. I was exhausted after this, but it feels really good to have meals in the fridge.